Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. So welcome back to the bonk update, and the entry for the private is closed today. So here we are, and we are quite finding some support line, which is very good to see. So if you look at probably bonk is doing right here, we got some support coming in for bonk. So I do believe that this may be time to see bonk to try to move back up again, because I personally have a doubt that we're going to see bonk dropping. I don't think this week we will see bonk going down at the moment. Number one, it's because if you go back into the weekly time frame, you do have bonk that is super red 2 weeks straight in a row. Now, it doesn't really mean that you cannot go down one more time, but I highly doubt that you're going to do that, because you are already quite down. So number one, you are from 350 all the way down here, so that's like a 61% move to the downside, and that's what really tells me that maybe it's time for bonk to probably have a small relief to the upside, and we might see a consolidation. So you're just moving down, up and down, up and down. You have the channel, but if eventually you start to break below the support line, you start to hit your head like this, we might see a move down, literally down to the channel itself, because that's the only thing that really makes sense. Now there's one more evidence on the 4-hour time frame that shows if bonk can probably get up here, we probably are going to move to the upside, and that is the bullish divergence. So if you look at this thing, you do have the prices like this, pretty much on a sideway note, and it shows that the whales are buying once again, because if the RSI starts to climb, that's a little bit of a very good positivity right there. If I zoom out just a little bit, notice how it's picture perfect clear that you are moving to the upside on the RSI. Number two, the RSI has been oversold down to the 24, so that pretty much tells you that something can happen. Another thing is that the positives, I'm talking about the positives today, is that right on the support you did have this morning star previously, and now you have almost like a bullish engulfing candlestick. So reading candlestick always helps. If you zoom in there, you have this red candle, and you have this green candle that is bigger than the red candle. That's known as bullish engulfing. When the green overtakes the red, it actually means bullish engulfing. It's only that we don't really have a wick which is higher than the selling one, but it almost completes the bullish engulfing. So just a little bit short of a completion of a candlestick right there. At this point of time, all I can say as a final note is that there is time until 4th of January or 3rd of January, and I do believe you're looking for a move up like this and a consolidation, and then eventually you might start to pop up. Like I personally I'm on the side of a move back up more than a move to the down. But if you start to break below here and go to 119,000 and hit your head, then that's going to go down, right? So wait for a break. I will recommend you to wait for a break. Let it consolidate tomorrow, and then the day after tomorrow we're going to see by Wednesday what really happens. And by the way, crypto on a Wednesday is always good. Wednesday is always good for crypto. I've noticed that most of the time, not like always, but most of the time Wednesdays and Thursdays are good. So I don't see any reason for bonk to move down, because we are already down. We're down enough. This is a very big discount. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.